Hello, this is Dmitry, and today I wanted to make a short video about Sony A7R III shutter sound, just to compare it to some of my other cameras. So here's what I have: Canon 6D, Canon T7i, also known as Canon 80D, Fuji X-T20. Here's Sony A7R III, and Olympus EM1 Mark II. Sorry for the shakiness of the video. I'm taking a video with the iPhone. So let's start with the Olympus. Here's Olympus in single autofocus. Here's a Sony A7R III single autofocus. Sorry, that's continuous. Let's do single. This is Fuji X-T20 single. This is Canon T7i. That's continuous. Let's do single. This is Canon 6D. Alright, let's do it again. Olympus, Sony A7R III, Fuji X-T20, Canon T7i, and Canon 6D. Alright, now let's do the continuous high. Let's do the Olympus. Start with Olympus. Very quiet. Let's do Sony. Fuji. Canon T7i, Canon 6D. Alright, so obviously Olympus is very quiet, so let's put this one away. Fuji is also very quiet. Let's move this one away. Now you got the two Canons and the Sony. Let's see which one is the loudest. Again, Canon 6D, Canon T7i, and Sony A7R III. Alright, let's do it again. It sounds like it's between Canon T7i and the Sony for the loudest. Try it again. Canon T7i, Sony. It's a tie. So it appears that the loudest ones are the Sony A7R III and the Canon T7i. Thank you.